So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with Ethereum here on crypto.com. So once you open up crypto.com, I want you to go ahead and either select Bitcoin right here or go to the top left, press on buy, and then type in ticker symbol BTC or just type in Bitcoin. Either one will work. Now, once you have the Bitcoin screen selected, you want to go away from cash right here. So cash is highlighted for me. Simply go ahead and press on crypto, and then two options down it says Ethereum. Press on that. Then you can type in the amount of Ethereum that you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to use, I don't know, let's just use the example 100 Ethereum, for instance, to buy Bitcoin. You can kind of see what that converts to, and if all looks good, you can go to the bottom, press on buy, then you can proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Bitcoin with Ethereum on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.